This endgame study is a good reference to several tactical combinations of chariot and cannon. Red to start. Red now threatens chariot 1 plus 6 checkmate. To make room for his king, black has to move one of the advisors. Obviously, advisor 6 plus 5 is suicidal, as it will be met with red's cannon 9 to 4, smarter checkmate at once. So black moves the other advisor. Red deploys his chariot to a new location, threatening chariot 1 to 4, the royal checkmate. At first look, black could guard that far with a chariot 1 to 6, but should he do that, he would allow the red cannon to launch a fatal attack immediately. Let me make a detour to show you. This move threatens chariot 1 plus 1 checkmate. This is the classic chariot and cannon joint offensive. It has a descriptive name in Chinese, scooping the moon from the bottom of the sea. We may perhaps refer to this tactical combination as the moon-scoping offensive. Let's go back to move number 4. So, on this move, black better moves down his king for safety. Red will repeat the earlier checkmating threats and in the process capture 2 pawns with his chariot. Now, can red continue playing the same tune and capture the last pawn? The answer is yes, but he must first throw in a precautionary move. This move. A critical move with dual purpose. First, it threatens cannon 6 plus 6, a fatal blow that gives checkmate next move. For example, if black now continues with r1 minus 4, then check. And no matter how black answers, he will be checkmate next move, either by chariot 2 to 5 or chariot 2 to 4. Let's backtrack to so black continues with chariot 1 minus 7. Putting back the chariot is the stronger defending move. Much inferior here is chariot 1 to 4, keeping an eye on the cannon from behind. Reason being, the chariot is too close to the red king for making a check. Then, red will spend lesser moves to win using the same tactics as in the main line. So I shall leave it to my readers to explore this variation. It is now safe to repeat the pawn hunting process. Now you see the defending role of the corner cannon. The cannon is pinned down. Red's attack looks like an arrow at the end of its flight. But a quiet move by the king creates a new threat. Cannon 6 plus 8 check could discover attack, winning the black chariot. Well, black could have blocked the cannon with chariot 1 to 4. Red would still win in the same pattern, saving a few moves. Threatening chariot 4 to 9, discover check, winning the chariot. If black plays chariot 1 plus 8, he will lose quicker after red's king 5 minus 1. A simple waiting move. This king move restrains the mobility of the black chariot. Another waiting move. Waiting move often becomes a powerful weapon in endgame. The final fatal blow. No choice. And red wins. Thank you for watching the video. I am Felix Tan. Goodbye.